Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it is Friday, and happy Friday. And are you looking forward to the weekend? I know I am. Well, today, what I have for you is my January Birchbox, and I want to unbox this for you, as well as giving you the winner for the BeautyFix, not Fixbox, BeautyFix subscription that I unboxed for you. So if you're interested in those things, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I was saying, it is Friday, TGIF, and I'm really looking forward to my week. Anyway, and my weekend, but it's an extended weekend for me. So anyway, so today I do have this Birchbox for January, but as I said, I am also revealing the winner from the Birchbox unboxing video. Remember that one? And I have already chosen the winner, and I will insert a clap. No, it's a clip. As usual, okay? I mean, I'm just like out of breath. I'll tell you why. It's because I just turned in my computer and my phone at my current position. Well, no longer, right? So that's it. I'm officially finished with the company that I've been working with. And now I move on to bigger and better things. So I'm a little excited, a little nerve-wracking, of course, because it's something new, right? But yeah, all is good. But before we jump into anything, we're going to do our motivation for the day. And so let's go ahead and take a look. Okay. Oh, that's a pretty picture. That's very fitting. This is kind of sort of like what the mountaintop looks like from my window at times. And I want to make sure that's in focus, I hope. Okay. There you go. And it says, don't ask yourself why they keep hurting you. Ask yourself why you keep letting them. Wow, very powerful. That's true, because in order for people to hurt you, you have to give them permission, and you have to stay where you are for them to target you, right? And this hits really close to home, hits really close to my heart. And this is one of the things that, you know, is really difficult, especially if you're stuck in a position or if you're stuck in a situation where you can't seem to find your way out, and you're trying all you can and you continue to work day by day, trying to get out of the situation and away from those that are hurting you. But you know, the important thing is the journey of making that trip. And I think what they're trying to say here is that don't be stagnant. Don't stay where you are. Even though you may not be able to change the situation right away, start making steps towards changing that situation, because, you know, people if they're hurting you, you don't want to be there. Why? Why would you want to be there? No matter how comfortable something may be, except for that one thing, but that one thing is making you uncomfortable. So you really need to give yourself respect, give yourself permission to, feel bad about it, but you need to be looking for a solution, for a way out. And this is why just ask yourself why you keep letting them, right? And sometimes you may not be letting them per se because you are trying, but as long as you stay there, that's the permission you're giving them. It shouldn't be that way, but unfortunately it is. And you just have to remember, you have to move forward, take day by day, and really try to go forward and really pay attention to the journey that you're taking, and not focus so much on the goal, the outcome, because the outcome will happen, but focus on those each steps and make sure you're taking the appropriate steps to make it happen, okay? And so don't get thrown off by the outcome before that's even there. No, okay? So anyway, so that's that. So let's see what is in the Birchbox. And oh, this is the box that keeps breaking on me when I try to pull the tab. I'm gonna take it really easy and try not to let that happen. I think they fixed the box since, but yeah, this was always it. Okay. So far, so good. That was 1 out of 3. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, let's start on the other side here. And this is like, you know, this, I gotta conquer it. It's one of those things. Okay, 2 out of 3. And one more here. Okay, and here we go. Looking good, looking good. Done. Okay, see? Just focus. Take it one step at a time, and it'll happen for you. Okay, so it's a box within a box with this one, and that one's upside down. It says Birchbox right on it, and here it is. And as you guys know, the prices of Birchbox can be fluctuating, and the reason why I say this is because when I purchased this, there was a deal, and when you add it all up, I did it for a year, it ends up being $8 a box. And sometimes, you know, you find deals like that, but there's always deals. So look for it, okay? And so there are 5 to 6 travel size and deluxe travel size is what they call it, or sample size products in here. And they don't give full size unless, of course, sometimes you get like a eye pencil that might be full size, but usually not. But I like it because it allows me to try new things, okay? And this is 2022 Refresh, Renew, Renew. And so there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in the box, okay? And so, and it does say on the back what it is that you get. And so let me take a look. Oh, it comes just like this, and I already recognize a couple of the brands that I really like. Let me go ahead and put on my glasses so that way I can actually see. Okay, the first thing that I do know, and I really love this company, is Gold Lust Transformation Mask, and it's a hair mask by Oribe. And I really love this brand, but it is quite expensive for the full size of this. Let me see if there's a price for these. So Oribe Gold Lust Mask, full size is $66, but it doesn't say how big the full size is, but I want to say it's like at least 50 mil, 50, 60 mil. It's an intensive nutrient-rich mask that restores softness, shine, and body to dry, overworked hair with every application. Massage, indulge for as long as you want, and rinse. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, and I really like this brand, and I do use the heat protectant by this line, and yeah, and I use also the hair oil to put on the ends, and I still have to sample. They gave me a vial like this. It lasts forever. You only need like teeny tiny drops in like this, otherwise your whole head will be greasy. Anyway, and moving on. And the next thing in here is by Arrow, and I believe this is Clean Beauty if I remember. It says Detangling Texture and Protect Spray. Okay, I think it's all about hair this time. So it is a detangling texture and protection spray, and the full size is usually $24. This is Clean Beauty, and it is an exclusive to Birchbox, and it's formulated for all hair types. This spray helps comb through tangles, moisturizes and smooths hair, add lightweight texture for styling, and protects from heat when using hot tools. So yeah, it doesn't say up to what degrees, but you know, usually it's like 400 degrees or so. I'm not sure, it doesn't say that on this one. So, but yeah, definitely worth a try, and it is a pump, okay? And I will definitely put this to the test. And the next item here is by Glow Recipe. I think everybody knows Glow Recipe, right? That's been really, really big lately. And here it is. And this is a Clean Beauty as well. And this is Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. The full size is $28. And this body cream smooths skin while hydrating you from head to toe. The creamy texture leaves skin glowing, and the watermelon scent is a huge bonus. So yeah, and these are actually good. I may go ahead and put this in my travel bag right away because it's, you know, nice and small, and it smells like watermelon. Okay. All right, and it is a body lotion. I don't mind the fragrance for the body, not for the face. So anyway, okay, moving on. What is this? This looks like a hand gel. Every time it looks like a hand gel. Let me see what that is. It is. It's called Mercy Handy, and the full size is $4. And this is called Flower Power Hand Sanitizer. Hand sanitizer has never been so fun. These gel leaves your hands soft and lightly scented, made with 67% alcohol, and kills 99.9% of germs. Huh. I wonder if there's a seal on this. If not, oh no, there isn't. Okay. Let's see. I don't like hand gels that leave that creamy residue or that sticky residue. I don't like it. Oh, this is weird. I've never had I'm a nurse, so I've tried all kinds of hand gels, but this one is more like, no, I don't like it. The reason why I say this is because look at it. It's like it's oily. It's not even like the sticky stuff, but this is like oily. That's weird. Look, it's oily. Okay. Yeah, I'm not crazy about that. Well, I guess, all right. Maybe I just need to leave it on, and because I don't like the feel of, you know, oiliness or slickness, especially when I'm putting it on hand gel, because to me that doesn't feel clean. I like it when I can feel the alcohol evaporating. Yeah, that to me feels like it's working. But All right, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, wait. Wait, guys. I think this is not the hand sanitizer. Hold on, because I'm looking at the hand sanitizer now. What is that? Hold on, guys. No, this is number 4. This lightweight oil repairs and restores shine without weighing hair down. Apply onto damp hair before styling to smooth or onto hair, to add extra shine. Oh my God, guys. Okay, that's why it's oily. It's supposed to be. It's for the hair. Okay. Dang, you know, why did I assume that this was gel? Only reason why I knew it wasn't is because here's the gel. I looked down and I saw hand sanitizer. I'm like, oops, dang. Okay, it's all right. It's oil. Okay, I'm glad this is not. That's why I said, oh, I never felt anything like that before. Well, duh. So anyway, so here we go. This is the hand sanitizer. And this is the hand sanitizer that's never been so fun. Okay, all right, let's see. All right, I don't know how this is going to work now with that oil on my hand, but that's okay. Oh, it does smell good. And this is the kind I like. I can feel the alcohol evaporating and there's no stickiness. Oh my God. All right. It's all right. It's all right. Okay. No big deal. But this is nice. I think this is going to be a nice hair oil though, because the way it felt on my hand is like, okay, that's weird, but it's all right. Anyway, the last thing in my box is Oribe Run Through Detangling Shampoo. And it is in a little envelope. And this is the silicone-free cleanser, adds instant slip and lightweight moisture to reduce tangles to effortless combing and styling. And this is new to Birchbox. And so I'll go ahead and try that. Like I said, I do like Oribe products. So I don't know, that's it. So what you think? Aside from the little mishap of the hair oil here. So I received the hair oil, the little packet of shampoo, the beautiful hair mask, and we have the Arrow Detangling, Texturizing, and Protectant. And we have the hand sanitizer. And also this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dream Lotion. So yeah, I mean, you know what? I'm not unhappy. This is good because it'll give me a chance to try some of these things. And if I like it, I can purchase the full size one. By the way, that hair oil is $26 retail. And the hand sanitizer is $4. Okay. And the Oribe shampoo is $49 for regular size, full size. So, yeah, that's that, my beautiful wildflowers. Okay, so I know if you guys not have fast forwarded this silliness yet, you're waiting for the winner of the giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead on to commercial break so we can go ahead and reveal it. See you in a moment. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are again. Today we're here to pick the winner for the BeautyFix skincare and makeup giveaway. And that was on a video right along with the 900 beautiful giveaway, a 900 beautiful wildflower giveaway reveal. So yeah, I've already selected and pasted the YouTube video URL from that video. And I did filter here for duplicate users so anybody gets one chance. And I filtered comments based on a specific text. And the word we were supposed to use is BeautyFix. Okay, so let's see how many people have actually entered. Okay, there's 31 comments. That's not too bad. Okay, so let's see if we can go ahead over here and push this button to pick the winner. You guys ready? Here we go. Melody Sayer. Okay, Melody, she said, I definitely need a beauty fix. Thank you for sharing your art with us. Beautiful. Best of luck to the winner. And so, okay, Melody, let's go ahead and see if you are publicly subscribed to me. We're going to hop on over to your channel and take a look at your channels. And here we go. Oh, Melody, you are not publicly subscribed. You have to make your channel actually public. You know, I don't normally show this because it is kind of sad. But just to show you, this is what it looks like. And unless I can see that you are subscribed to me, unfortunately, yeah, you know what? I'm going to see if I could go to my videos and see if I see any, if I see through here. I'm just going to give it a try. I don't know if it's going to show up because it's not showing any other piece. Here, yeah, see, there is nothing here to even for me to go this route, because sometimes you can just click on here, See, and it'll say this person is publicly subscribed, but I'm sorry, Melody. Okay, so, you know, I don't normally show this because I really don't want people to get disappointed, but I just want people to know that, you know, it does happen. And I'm going to have to pick another winner, and I can do that by just pushing this button here, which says pick another winner. And let's see who we have. Robin L. Hi, Alexis. I've always enjoyed watching your BeautyFix unboxings. Congrats to the winner. I love the painting you shared today. Okay, Robin, let's hope you are publicly subscribed to me. And let's see. Let's see the channels. And you are. And let me take a. Okay, I'm going to have to probably zoom really fast to the bottom. Oh, that wasn't too bad either. Okay, let's do a Command F. And it does say, oh, Modesty here. And I'm going to hit enter. And here I am. Okay, Robin, congratulations. You're officially the winner. And when I get back to the main programming, I will give you directions on how to claim your wins. Congratulations, Robin. So now back to the regular programming. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Robin, and good job. And so, yeah, you have 48 hours to reach out to me as usual. You can go ahead and email me with my email address, which is in the descriptions at the very bottom, or you can DM me on haute.modesty on Instagram. So it's up to you how you do that. And let me know that you watched the video, and I will go ahead and ship it out to you. And that's that for today, guys. And I hope you enjoyed it. And again, Robin, congratulations. And we will actually probably see you tomorrow. But as you guys know, as this video goes up, I may be planning for vacation. And if you don't see a video, that's the reason why, okay? But I do still have to reveal a couple of more winners for a couple of more giveaways. So that's still coming up, don't worry. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe button down below looks like that. If you just hit it and ring the bell and select all so you can see every one of my videos because you'll be notified. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend whenever you're watching this, and it does not matter. But just remember what does though. In a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Really? Seriously, it was like, oh my God, what is that? And it was like, oh, yeah. And then when I looked down and saw the hand sanitizer, I'm like, okay. Yeah. Anyway, guys, today was my last day officially, and I was able to actually turn on my computer and my phone, so I'm really excited. And I am definitely ready for a new chapter in my life. And I start my new position on the 31st, so I'm really excited and looking forward to that. And so, guys, I want you to have a good weekend. And if you're watching this on a weekend, and you know, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you so much for supporting me through this up and down right now, because I'm trying to get many video up as possible, and right now I have some things going on. So thank you though for hanging in there, and I really do appreciate it and love you all. And so I will see you soon. Mwah!